U.S. Judge warns SEC over false and misleading request in crypto case. A federal judge threatened to sanction the SEC's lawyers after their false arguments prompted a court to impose a temporary restraining order on crypto firm DebtBox. A federal judge on Thursday warned Securities and Exchange Commission SEC attorneys that he may sanction them for allegedly convincing a court to freeze a crypto firm's assets under false and misleading pretenses, a court filing shows, according to an order issued by U.S. District Judge Robert Shelby of the U.S. District Court in Utah. The SEC's attorneys could be sanctioned for making misleading arguments about crypto project DebtBox's alleged efforts to transfer its assets and investors' funds overseas, leading a court to freeze the project's bank accounts. The SEC misrepresentations undermine the integrity of the case's proceedings in addition to causing DebtBox irreparable harm, Judge Shelby said in an order. Sanctions are penalties a court imposes on individuals who sign statements they know to be false or otherwise violate court procedures, according to law.com's legal dictionary. In civil law, sanctions are usually imposed in the form of monetary fines, according to law.com. A federal judge first slapped DebtBox with a temporary restraining order, restricting its access to its assets in August. However, he later dissolved the order after DebtBox demonstrated it had neither moved funds outside the U.S. nor closed its bank accounts 2 days before a hearing over the SEC's request to freeze its funds, DebtBox's lawyers said in a filing. The SEC's Utah office did not immediately respond to a request for comment. The SEC first sued DebtBox in July, alleging the company schemed to sell unregistered securities called node licenses, beginning in 2021. DebtBox told investors the licenses would mine cryptocurrency that would increase in value, but they were actually minting the crypto themselves, using computer code, the SEC alleged in its original complaint. In Thursday's order, Judge Shelby asked the SEC's attorneys to respond to his findings that their arguments alleging DebtBox had attempted to move its funds overseas lacked context and were not factual. The regulator has 2 weeks to respond to the inquiry, according to the order,